We have different video editors. We have CapCut. This is CapCut. We have KineMaster. We have InShot. We have VN. We have so many of them. So you decide the one you want to use. So for CapCut, you can use the free. Just download the CapCut and begin to use. You will create your account and begin to use. You can as well sign up for the pro versions. You can sign up for the standard version. Those ones are paid, but you can as well use the free, but you have the watermark there. But you can also use KineMaster. You can remove the watermark for KineMaster by just watching a particular video. Yeah, you watch an ad. So that's how it works. So today we're going to be using CapCut. You first create your account. Okay. First you go to projects. So this contain all the project your previous projects. So you go to projects. After you go to projects, you click on create videos. So we are going to be combining it now. So you choose all the videos like this. So you put it in HD. There are so many things you can do with CapCut Pro. It gives you so many advantage. So you add everything. So we are going to briefly go through our homepage. Different elements that you're going to be using. So we have edits, we have audio if you want to add an audio, background audio, any type of audio. So if you click on it, you can either go to choose a sound, you can extract, you can record, you can do text to audio like you have a text, you convert it to audio, you go to sounds. So they can recommend, you can search for the type you want. There are different types. You have inspirational, motivation. You can search for different types that you want. And if you want to get the sound from your device, just click on here, then say see device. Or if you want to extract the audio from your video, you click on extract audio from video, or you go to your device. So these are audios on my device. It must be saved on your device before you can have access to it. So that's for sound. So if you want to have a particular text, this is for text. So one element that CapCut Pro helps you with is auto caption. Auto caption means you generate the caption. It helps you to generate the caption from the video directly. So if you don't have that, you can as well use text to audio. So you will not convert it directly to audio. You just allow the text to be there. But you are going to edit it. When you put the text, you edit quickly like this. You enter your text. You enter text. After you put the text, you click on next. Then you edit the text. Then after it is placed, then you edit it according to the video. But for this one, if you have CapCut Pro, you can just directly use it. So we have our video. Okay, let's look at other. So we have effects. So there are different type of effects. We have video effects. We have animations. So there are different type of, yeah. If you want something like a zoom in, zoom out, mini zoom, different type of effects, phone drifts, those kind of effects. I know you use a lot of them. I'm just showing you. No part of the bonus for this class is basic video editing. So that's it. So we have photo effects. Then we have overlay. That's if you want to add something, like you want to add a logo or you want to add pop-up text. And you can also do it in motion graphics. You will learn that in our video editing course. So you add the overlay. If you want to add a picture, you just add on it. So that's for adding something on the particular video. Then caption. See, it's brought out auto caption. See, this generates is a pro function. That's how it works. So we have filters. It helps if you want to work on the color. If you want to adjust the feel, then for this adjust, use for color grading, to color match, contrast, brightness, saturation, brilliance. Those are advanced video editing. So we also have, okay, we have stickers, we have aspect ratio. So for this aspect ratio, you can use it to change your video. So if you want it to be in 9:16, maybe said 9:16 is for TikTok stand. I see the icon for TikTok, Instagram Reels. If you want it to 16:9, you can change to 4:3 or anyone. It's aspect ratio I'm going to use. Then for background, like if you want to change the background, make add image to the background. So that's what you use. So let's click on the video clip. If you're editing,
Success is not about the big leaps, the viral moments, or overnight changes. It's about joy. So today, do that one thing you've been putting off. Not for anyone else, but for you. So
so
today,
this
do that one thing you've been putting off.
if you want to split, this is it. Like if you are editing and you want to cut out a particular part, you split it and cut. You delete that part that you split off. And if you want to increase the volume,
Success is not about the big
using
leaps, the
notes,
viral moments, or overnight changes.
CapCut can
It's
also use.
Success is not about the big leaps, the viral moments, or overnight changes.
So those are other features. Those are in advanced editing, but it's just the basic we are looking at now. So we have animations. Like if you want to make some animation video, like I have a particular text on this video, something on this video that I want to animate. That's it. Then still on, but if you want to delete something, I told after you split you delete. If you want to work on the speed, if you want to duplicate, if you want to replace, if you want to remove the background, that's it. So those are the basic things you want to do. Then something you can also do is, you have different video clips. So you want to like put something
Success is not about the big
longer
leaps,
flow.
the viral moments, or
So
overnight
go back
changes.
your
It's about showing up today. So
resolution so
today,
that it's
do that
clear.
one thing you've been putting off.
So let's edit this video together.
Success is not about the big leaps, the viral moments, or overnight changes. It's about showing up today. So today, do that one thing you've been putting off. Not for anyone else, but for you. So today, do that one thing you've been putting off.
So you want to add transitions, you click on this, like to make it blend better. Like maybe it's different things, or like you are talking about something, you understand, even different type of transitions, so you can use different types, something like this. So see this, so see how this does.
It's about showing up today. So today, do that one thing you've been putting
If you
off.
want to add
Not
things
for
like that, that's what you do. So those are the basic editing. Then when you are done with your video, you click on export. When you click on export, you export it. That's how it works.